Hey guys, Big Dads here. Kamusta na kayong lahat? Hopefully you guys are having a wonderful day. For this video, gadala tayo sa Bantayan Island, Cebu, where beaches is beautiful but the sunset is much more beautiful. Well, if pupunta tayo sa Bantayan Island, I can suggest to get your rooms booked at Judith's Guest House. Ang ganda ng place and ang mababait yung staff, 100%. I recommend them. Well, as usual, please like and comment on the videos, and of course, share niyo yung video para mas marami pong makakita ng ganda ng Pilipinas, okay? Guys, enjoy the video for now, and let's do this thing. Let's go!
Tumakas na tayo, takasan na natin ang mundo. Magtago papalayo sa mas tahimik at payapang mundo. Umubulong ang hanging amihan at huni ng ibon. Dumudulog at tinatawag na tayo ng bundok. Na tayo, palayo sa maraming tao. Tumiwalay at magtago sa maingay at malabong mundo. Bumubulong ang hanging habagat at hampas ng alon. Dumudulog at niyayakag na tayo ng karagatan.